welcome back on my Legendary Traders Entrepreneurs. It's been about like 4 months, but I've been grinding on trading. And today's video, I just want to show you guys my $1,000 trade on the E8 funding platform. So I'm about to get a payout, but I'll show you guys my trading strategy and my breakdown of the trade that I got. And just to inspire you guys and hopefully get you guys on track and may see trading as a side income or full-time income. So let's get to it. So the trade I took was on NZDJPY. So before I take any trade, I go look onto Forex Factory and I make sure that there is no red folders. Just keep trading simple, and so now it's already funded. I didn't document my journey because it's just been so much up and down, and I was just really focused on it. So when I entered was here, stop loss was here, take profit is here. All right, so let's start off. So this is a simple strategy. It's just moving averages and support resistance. Don't overcomplicate it. So daily, when I saw on daily, it was going down. But when I look at the other time frames on the moving averages, you can see here, price was right here when I bought it. Wanted price to go up. So with the H4, you can't really see the good support resistance. You do see some major spots like right here, also over here. But when you go to H1, the hourly time frame, you can clearly see. So all I saw was this. You can clearly see it hit it once, twice, and it was in this little boxes zone right here. I liked how it crossed and it started going up, and it broke through here. So you can either wait for it to break and retest. If you break and retest, it's gonna come here, so your entry will be here. But I was comfortable with it, with this big green candle. It kind of showed momentum going up. Not always it is going to go up just because it's a big momentum candle, but you do it with multiple other stuff. So number one is moving averages. Number two, support resistance. You do want to see multiple tests and breakthrough. Yeah. So when you go after H1, go to M30, go back to that. M30 here, it's even clearer. About the same thing as H1. M15 you can go, but it's not necessary. It's too many stuff going on. But it's also clear in the M15. It's above the moving averages. And then the peaks here, broke the peak. But the main thing is H4, H1. Since I'm trading more of long term, not long term, but day trading, more intraday trading. So bam. So at the time, average true range was at 60. So I just did a 101. You look at the average true range, so you get it was here 60. I went to H1. You go look if where the stop loss and take profit is at. So stop loss, you can see here, this is the other area of the zone. This zone right here is another zone. So stop loss wasn't even near it. And then take profit, you look to the left, has so much more room to go. Could have even aimed for more, but then it never would have hit 2 to 1 for risk to reward. So as of right now, my strategy is just going for 1-on-1, and that's what helped me pass this challenge. This is the E8 funding. It's pretty similar to FTMO. It's pretty similar to FTMO, but the only thing I don't like about it is that they only allow you 8% drawdown instead of FTMO's 10. I'm trying to get past on the funded trader as well because they have a bigger drawdown. Here is my certificates. I have a couple more trades, but I'm just showing you guys a $1,000 trade that I made. So this is my certificate. You can see it's legit. This is the website withdraw. I'm currently in the process of getting a withdrawal. My first withdrawal from this trading firm, so we'll see how it goes. And that's about it. Keep trading simple. Try it out. To back test it, forward test it, demo until you're able to at least double your account and just get funded. Don't let your emotions get to you too much. Don't be exiting trades in the middle. Don't be adjusting your stop loss. If you made a plan, stick to it. Set your trade and just let it go. All right. So thank you guys for watching. It's great to be back, and hopefully with more success or even failures, I'll be trying to post more and more. So thank you guys all for watching. Hit that like, the subscribe. If you guys have any comments or anything, suggestions of videos you guys want to see, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.